Wishing a very fresh and energetic morning to all of you. This is Ganesh Gupta. Today I am going to present a story, and the title of the story is The Reflections. Once a dog ran into a museum filled with mirrors. The museum was unique. The walls, the ceiling, the doors, and even the floor were made of mirrors. Seeing his reflections, the dog is startled. The dog is startled. Seeing his reflection, the dog is startled. He started barking at his own reflections. The reflections also do same in as the dog bark. The dog tossed from one side to another. While the reflection do so again. Next morning, the museum security guard found a miserable, deathless, lifeless dog surrounded by dogs of lifeless. There was no one to harm the dog. He died by fighting with his own reflection. And the moral of the story is, world doesn't bring good or evil on its own. Everything that is happening around us is our own reflection of feeling, desires, actions, etc. World is a big mirror. So let's start for a big good pose. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Hello, friends. This is Sasau. Today I am going to tell about a moral story. The moral story title is The Lion and Mouse. One day, a lion was sleeping in the jungle when a mouse started running up and down his body just for fun. The lion disturbs lion's sleeps, and he woke up quite angry. He is about to eat the mouse when the mouse desperately requested the lion, "I promise you, I will be a great help to you someday if you save me." The lion laughed at mouse confidence. One day, a few hunters came into the jungle and took the lion with them. They tied up to against a tree, and the lion was troubling. And soon the mouse walked past and looked the lion in the trouble. Quickly he ran and went on the rope, set free the lion. Both they are instead of jungle. This story teaches us to learn forgive, or this story teaches us a kind of a small act of kindness.
Good morning, sir, and hello, class. This is Aman Karma. Today I am standing here to present a story of a lion and a mouse. There was a time a lion was sleeping in a cave, and then a mouse go near the lion, and he was troubling him. And the lion was saying again and again that I will not leave you if you will trouble me. Then the mouse continued troubling him. The mouse will say, the lion will say that I will not leave you. The mouse said that please leave me. One day I will repay you. After some days, the lion was wandering in the forest in the search of food, and then he trapped in a net of hunters, and then he was started roaring and angry. Then the mouse listened him and go near him, and then he cut the net and said the lion that you are saying that a mouse can't help anyone, and you can say that I have repay you which I have said to you. And the moral of the story is kindness never be wasted. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, friend. Myself Poonam Tiwari, and today I represent a story, short story. A teacher teaching in a class of 6-year-old. She asked a boy called Arav, "If I will give you 2 mangoes and 2 mangoes, how many will you have?" He replied, 5. Then she said, "If I will give 2 mangoes and 2 mangoes, how many will you have?" So he replied, 5. Teacher was very upset. Then remembered Arav mom. She said that Arav like strawberries. He doesn't like mangoes. Then change her example. So teacher asked. When I will give you 2 strawberries and 2 strawberries, how many will you have? He replied, 4. Teacher beyond this answer, annoyed the answer. How can you say 2 strawberry and 2 strawberry will be 4 and 2 mangoes and 2 mangoes will be 5? He replied, I have 1 mango in my bag. This is conflict situation because the gap between 2 technically and practically. Was the teacher wrong? Was teacher wrong? No. Teacher 2 plus 2 is 4. Was Arav wrong? No. 2 plus 2 4 and one have in his bag. One in his bag. Technically and practically. Technically means technically means you seen obvious, means visibly seen, and practically means beyond the obvious. Beyond the obvious means you have seen what you have visibly seen. If you have if your children not listen you, not behaving right, then don't take it technically or practically. Moral of this story, if next time you can't fit in your definition anyone. You can't fit your definition anyone. Don't be technically, don't be judgmental. If you see practically, then you truly understand the person, what the conflict situation in between. Thank you.